What's up, YouTube? It's your boy, back again. Alright, as promised in the last video, you guys watched me while talking about my comparisons, my differences, etc, etc. So now I'm bringing you the video that I told you guys that I was going to do. I did end up finishing my harness that same day, ended up wearing it the very next day, and been wearing it since I posted that video. Okay. Pros and cons about the one that I did make. Pause. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the harness that you guys seen me putting together, making in the last video. Like I said, it's kind of like a jock style. Put it on, wraps around your little hiney, and then you wear your STP or what have you here. But as I said, this is kind of like a mesh kind of material. And legitimately, it was just like too hot. It was too hot either around the waist or it was too hot in the crotch area. Number one, I'm wearing these on top of boxers. Then on top of that, I have on my pants. So it was one of those things like it was just too much. So I'm going with the thinner material. This cut is kind of like a men's bikini cut. Less elastic around the waist, more protection in the back area as well, and also more protection within the front, because that was one of the things that I was fumbling with too as well. With this one, I felt that it was shifting a lot, and there was one time where I was actually walking and it kind of like fell in my pants. So the protection is definitely needed, especially for the heavier STPs. So without further ado, I'm about to go in here, poke my hands. Okay, dokie, YouTube, I'm back. Alright, so of course, you guys seen what the old one looked like. I'm gonna keep this as like a prototype, just as another style to use with different materials. But of course, like you said, the thing I did was take the ring out of the middle of this one and replace it with that. So as I said, it's like these are men's bikinis. I know they look like girl drawers, but they not. So what I did was I measured it and I put the actual ring directly in the middle. So when I actually put these on, my STP faces downward versus in an upward position like it did with this one. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it works over the next couple days. It's extra light. The fabric is extra, thin, very breathable. As you can see through it. But it's sturdy and it's strong. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'll show you guys at a later date, probably tomorrow, what it looks like on. So trigger warning, it will be a penis in the next video. But I hope you guys enjoyed. And like I said, I'll show you guys tomorrow what it looks like with these on. And on top of that, I'll also put the STP on as well. So trial and error with this, especially when you're trying to come up with something that can take you to another level, especially in our community. You have a lot of brothers that are, less fortunate than others to be able to buy certain things. So you got to be able to create, to be able to keep, dysphoria down for some or however. And that's one of the problems that I'm running into while I'm mentoring. A lot of my brothers are telling me that the biggest thing is, them being able to actually physically see the masculinity in themselves. And sometimes that helps with having a pack or having an STP, but sometimes those things can be a little bit expensive. So if I can create a product to where as though I can help my community, then why not? But hope you guys like and enjoy it. Holla.